video we are going to show you some parts of the car that were damaged before it arrived to us. This is the main radiator. It broken through. All antifreeze was under the car. Initially we thought that we can fix this small area. We bent tapes as strong as we could to not proceed moving the liquid. But the metal was so brittle. As a result, we just had new cracks. We did not resolve our issue. In general, all radiator is bent. So we did buy a new one. This is the oil cooler. Luckily, it works fine despite of its dents. As I said previously, we did buy a new radiator, but for now it is not original one. Because of this, top mounts do not match. Bottom mounts do their best. Now we have a pretty good working radiator. Blower fan has some loss as well. No single fan blade. Someone was hungry and has bitten off the end.